There's somebody else in here looking at it, so you'll probably hear them. The front office with the walk-in closet. The powder room, if you remember that. The, I don't know what you call it, a little towel closet. Kitchen. It's got a pot filler. Gourmet kitchen. Pantry. It's a walk-in pantry. I don't know if you can see that from here, but it has the big doors, and this is a lot. The same place with the other one where you get that amazing view. Of course, you can't see very good today because it's so windy, it's dusty out. And it has the patio all the way across here. It's really dirty in here. I haven't cleaned it yet. Go to the garage. There's that little key drop area, another little closet, coat closet. It's got the door at the back of the garage, extended. It's got a garage service door right there, air conditioning right there. The garage door here. It's got the water softener already in it. It's got the double garage here with the garage door opener. And the front and the back have garage door openers. And it has blinds. You have the storage area underneath the steps. It has a nice wood banister. There is no power, so blinds are everywhere. That's nice. They have the desk going all the way across in the little loft area on the other side of the steps. Bedroom 1 with a walk-in closet. It's a big walk-in closet with a window with blinds. Full bath. Ooh, with the shower, with the tile all the way to the ceiling. And there's a little linen closet behind the bathroom door. The other bedroom with your regular closet, sliding doors. The laundry room. Oh my goodness. With a storage area there and another. Oh, it goes into the master bedroom. Okay, well that's pretty awesome. From the laundry room, the huge closet. We have double vanity. Huge shower, toilet area, closet there. You have a barn door on the entrance to the bathroom. That's nice. Bedroom. And I believe that is it.